Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be learning how to naturally lighten our lips, okay? I had to throw my hair back in the ponytail for this one. So right now you want to go ahead and get your cotton pad or Q-tip, whatever you want to use. You want to go and grab your apple cider vinegar, all right? And what you're going to do is pour it into a cup. And then you're going to want to dilute it just a little bit with some water. And then you're going to soak your cotton pad in the liquid, of course. Make sure you get it thoroughly soaked. Then you're going to dap it on your lips for 2 minutes straight, all right? After you dap it on your lips for 2 minutes, you let it sit for 10. So this is what it looks like after I finish applying it to my lips. And now I'm going to let it sit. So 10 minutes in. And 5 minutes in, I was already loving it, okay? I already saw results. This is 5 minutes in. I'm like, oh my God, that line was really getting light, like right before my eyes. So this is me wiping it off. And after I wiped this off, this was the result. And I actually applied some coconut oil to my lips because after you do this process, you actually do want to moisturize your lips, okay? And yeah, I was happy with my results, you guys. Trust and believe. I'm going to do maybe 2 more sessions and going to give you guys an update because I was definitely loving my results. Like, look at this. You can see the difference. Rewind the video back. You'll see. Oh. But I will be giving you guys an update. Until then, bye.